It's Friday the 14th of January 2022. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts now. Shrek 4D closed permanently at Universal Orlando this week to a surprising amount of fanfare. The replacement attraction hasn't officially been announced, but all bananas are pointing to a Minions Villian Con walkthrough or similar attraction. Hong Kong Disneyland closed for the 5th time during the pandemic last Friday. Disneyland's got more closures at Downtown Disney with Earl of Sandwich, again, Starbucks West, and Sugarboo Co all closing in January. The monorail is going to temporarily close from February 14th to March 6th. Knott's Berry Farm have closed and then reopened their iconic shuttle coaster Montezooma's Revenge. They are still planning to update this ride, but they've given guests a limited time opportunity for a last chance to ride it. Florida has lots of musical guests coming this year, with Disney announcing the Garden Rocks concert series featuring the Pointer Sisters, Flock of Seagulls and Hermit's Hermits. And Universal have announced their Mardi Gras guests this week, including Diana Ross, Bare Naked Ladies and Jason Derulo, amongst others. That's it for this week's Theme Park News in a Minute, tentatively titled Closures and Music. We'll be back next week with more Theme Park news, so tune in for that. In the meantime, check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut Insta, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.